Hello guys, today I will explain about my English final project. The topic is the industry. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rayhan Ramadhan from class E. My NPM is 12/12/2002 55. What is the meaning of the industry? A company or industrial business is a business unit that carries out economic activities, aims to produce goods or service, is located in a certain building or location, and has its own administrative record regarding production and cost structure, and there is one or more people who are responsible. What are the industries that use natural resource directly? Some industries make direct use of natural resource, and there are also other industries that take raw materials and turn them into finished products. All these industries are called manufacturing industries. Type of manufacturing industry. 1. Heavy industry. Shipbuilding is called a heavy industry. It uses large amounts of material such as steel plate, and with the aid of heavy machines, make them into machine products. Second, light industry. Light industry is an industry that uses light machinery and few raw materials. Industry example. Here we can see there are two examples of light and heavy industrial results. The first is a heavy industry, namely ships, for the manufacturing process assisted by machine, steel plate, etc. Second, there is the light industry, namely clocks. The process does not require machine assistance and only use a few ingredients to make very small product. Conclusion. In modern society, work is highly organized. We must produce enough goods to meet the need of a large population. We call any organized and productive activity an industry. Other industries take raw materials and turn them into finished product. All these industries are called manufacturing industry. The iron and steel industry process iron mined from the ground and turn it into steel. It uses large quantities of material such as steel plates, and with the help of heavy machinery makes them into large product. What's making, on the other hand, it's called light industry. It uses only a small amount of material to make a very small product. And these are my explanation from me. If I have mistake in my explanation and lack of material that I explain, I apologize. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me like and comment and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Try to eat my food quickly. I don't want to waste time for sure. Learning at university, I do it diligently. Thus I will achieve a better future.